Bangkok, baby. Bangkok, baby. Walking in Bangkok. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Walking in Bangkok. Ooh, through the streets. Meandering in the streets. Ooh, streets of Bangkok. Walking those damn cool streets of Bangkok. Walking, walking, walking. Just walking, walking, walking. Ooh, walking those old beautiful streets of Bangkok.
Not 100% sure if this is the street name. We have this Wat temple, and then we have this street that I want to explore, and there's some other street names in here too, so I'm a little bit confused. So it could also be this one as well. But whatever it is, we're going to be walking down that one with this yellow and showing you what it looks like. So let me put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. We are in Bangkok, and let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in the city. And just so you know, I'll be putting up a different slice of Bangkok from different streets every few days. So keep looking and you'll see some new ones. Okay, let's go check out Bangkok as if you're there yourself. Kind of a cool balcony right there too, and a cool looking door. So I don't know, Thanon Mangkok we could be at. This is the other road that we're going to be going off of. There's a Wat, so we could be on this street. And I just want to explore because I think this one might be for that one, I think. But this one that I want to look at has all these beautiful yellow apartments, I guess. You have a gas station underneath that offers a lot of shade in there. Yeah, I kind of like that big monolithic yellow. And then you have the kind of the shop holder stuff on this side. And I don't know if this is Mangkok Avenue or I don't know if it's long or short, but this big video, what I'll do is I'm just going to capture this street that I'm on, and it could actually go longer, and I just wouldn't really know at this point in time. Beautiful apples. I kind of like this area because you can really get into the alleys and explore. There's a lot of like restaurants in the alleys and such too. Like, it'd be amazing to know all those different restaurants and different, you know, the variation of all the different foods from across Thailand even. And then now we start getting these beautiful doors like that. Yeah, I haven't really explored much in Chinatown. Like I thought I did, but I can see now that I'm kind of trying to put more energy into it, and I can see there's a lot that I don't know. Got some balconies up there. So we'll see what actual street we're on, because if it is Mangkok, there should be a sign for it. Super beautiful. So yeah, this is actually Mangkok, Thanon Mangkok. So this is actually what we filmed. Right there. To give you some context, that has a really cool name. That would be a different street, which we're not going to focus on. But I think what I am going to do is we're going to label it this one. And the village will be short. It might actually continue down that way. But I think I want to focus on this yellow building right here. How cool that looks. And we're just going to add this little bit more to it because I think this whole building is connected. Mama Cafe. So yeah, I guess this whole building is one big. It's all owned by the same person, I guess. We're just gonna prompt cafe with a shop holder feel. Yeah, there's a lot to. I think I just missed Chinatown in the past. I think I visited other times, and I just didn't really. There's even like all these little alleys in there too, right? I don't know if that's private or not. You can see even a little temple way up at the top of that rooftop. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna come around to the corner and then we'll probably conclude. But then this is like another way to get to know a little bit more of the Bangkok streets and what kind of streets you might come across in different areas of the city. In case you don't know, I usually film streets in Macau. I try to do it this way because I can get more in depth to things, you know, as opposed to just people viewing the same places all the time and all the videos of everybody that goes to Thailand. Wow. This is beautiful shop. Wow. Okay. So yeah, beautiful building right there. And then over there is where our temple is at. Kind of gives us some context of where we're at exactly. What I think I'm going to do, there's beautiful artwork in there. Wow, okay, this is pretty cool. Okay, so we started, basically, I guess we were going to end up doing a triangle around this building right here. So, might have to get some food here. So we have more of our buildings as well. Do we do a triangle? I think so. So yeah, I guess this little yellow building is one little complex, and it looks like there's even a little inner part that I saw with that gate on the other side. I'm kind of curious if there's an access point right here. It looks like there might be. So I'm actually going to go in. So our street is down that way, and we're going to go in and see. Wow. It's all kinds of cool stuff. There's the prices. So now we can actually get into the middle part, which is what I was kind of curious about anyways. Huh. So I don't know if these are, I guess they look like businesses as well. That might have been one of the gates. And then it looks like there's something in the middle. We are going to just go around this building in the middle. And I don't know if this is all residential or what it is, but there'd definitely be some security. If you had this, you'd have a nice breeze as well. I don't know, I'm just gonna go right back where I came from. But it looks like this goes into a circle. I don't know if I'm supposed to be in this or not. I don't know if there's security on the different sides. So we'll just come right back out where we came into. And now we're back. It's really beautiful. When you're seeing these videos, it's hard not to kind of love the city of Bangkok. And straight ahead you got the shrine.